The information presented in this video is intended for general educational and informational purposes only.
Hey there, science fans. Welcome to a world where electronics are everywhere. Have you ever stopped to think about how amazing electronics are? Look around you. They're in every corner of our lives. Your phone, your TV, even your fridge all use electronics. These devices are integral to our daily routines. They're the silent heroes of our modern world, making life easier and more fun. Imagine a day without them. Remember the days of bulky cassette players? Those were the early days of portable music. Now we have tiny earbuds that can play millions of songs. The evolution is incredible. Electronics have shrunk down to fit in our pockets, but their power has only grown. They are more efficient and powerful than ever. From the simplest light switch to complex robots, electronics are changing the way we live, work, and play. They are everywhere. Can you imagine a world without electronics? It would be a completely different place. No more video games. No more instant communication with friends and family across the globe. Life would be so different. That's why understanding electronics is so important. They are the backbone of modern technology. They're not just gadgets, they're tools that shape our future. They drive innovation and progress. So, are you ready for an electrifying adventure? Let's go. The world of electronics awaits us. Electronics aren't just cool gadgets. They're making our world a better place in so many ways. Imagine a house that adjusts the temperature automatically, saving energy and keeping you comfy. That's the power of home automation, all thanks to electronics. In hospitals, electronic devices are lifesavers. They help doctors diagnose illnesses, monitor patients, and even perform delicate surgeries with incredible precision. From X-ray machines to pacemakers, electronics are revolutionizing healthcare. And don't forget about transportation. Modern cars use electronics to improve safety, fuel efficiency, and navigation. Self-driving cars, the future of transportation, are entirely dependent on sophisticated electronics and sensors. So you see, electronics aren't just about entertainment, they're improving our lives in countless ways. They're making our homes smarter, our healthcare better, and our transportation safer and more efficient. Exciting, right? Now that we know how cool electronics are, let's meet the tiny heroes that make it all happen, the electronic components. These small but mighty parts are the foundation of every electronic device you use daily. Think of them like ingredients in your favorite recipe. Each one has a special job to do, and when combined, they create something amazing. Just like how flour, sugar, and eggs come together to make a delicious cake. First up, we have resistors. They're like the traffic police of the electronic world, controlling the flow of electricity. Without them, the current would be too strong and could damage other components. Then there are capacitors, which store electrical energy like tiny batteries. They help smooth out the electrical flow, like a shock absorber for your circuit. Capacitors are essential for maintaining stability in your electronic projects. Next, we have transistors, the tiny amplifiers that can switch electronic signals on and off. They're like the brains of many electronic devices, making decisions based on the information they receive. Transistors are crucial for processing signals and enabling complex functionalities. And who doesn't love bright, colorful lights? That's where LEDs come in. These tiny lights are energy efficient and illuminate everything from our phones to traffic lights. LEDs are not only practical, but also add a touch of magic to our gadgets. Finally, we have the mighty microcontrollers, the tiny computers that control complex tasks. They are like the conductors of an orchestra, coordinating all the other components to create amazing electronic devices. Microcontrollers are the masterminds behind smart technology, making our lives easier and more connected. Section 4. Lighting up our world with circuits. Now that you've met the electronic superstars, let's see how they work together in a circuit. These components, when combined, create the magic of modern electronics. A circuit is like a pathway that electricity flows through, and it's the foundation of all electronics. Without circuits, our gadgets and devices wouldn't function. Imagine a simple circuit with a battery, a resistor, and an LED. This basic setup is the building block of more complex systems. The battery acts like the energy source, pushing electricity through the circuit. It's like the heart, pumping life into the system. The resistor controls the amount of electricity flowing, preventing the LED from burning out. It ensures the circuit operates safely and efficiently. And finally, the LED lights up, converting electrical energy into light. This transformation is what makes circuits so fascinating. It's like magic, but it's science. The wonder of seeing a circuit come to life never gets old. By connecting these components in different ways, we can create all sorts of circuits that do amazing things. The possibilities are endless. From simple circuits that light up an LED to complex circuits that power your smartphone, it all starts with the flow of electricity. This flow is the lifeblood of modern technology. Section 5. Electronics speak in code. Electronics and coding are like best friends. They work together to create incredible things, making our lives easier and more fun. Coding is how we tell electronic devices what to do, like writing instructions in a language they understand perfectly. Think of a microcontroller like a tiny brain that needs guidance. It needs instructions to perform tasks efficiently. That's where coding comes in to save the day. Using programming languages like Python or C, we can write instructions that tell the microcontroller exactly what to do. Want to make an LED blink? Write some code and watch the magic happen. Want to build a robot that follows your commands? Code is the answer to your dreams. It's like having a superpower that lets you bring your electronic creations to life, making the impossible possible. Section 6. India's tech boom. Your chance to shine. Guess what? India is becoming a global leader in electronics manufacturing. From smartphones to solar panels, India is making its mark on the world stage. This means exciting career opportunities for anyone interested in electronics. With government initiatives like Make in India, the electronics sector in India is booming, creating countless jobs for skilled engineers, technicians, and designers. Imagine designing the next generation of smartphones, developing cutting-edge medical devices, or working on renewable energy solutions. The possibilities are endless. If you're passionate about electronics, India is the place to be. With its growing tech industry and abundant talent pool, India is poised to become an electronics powerhouse. Section 7. Become an electronics explorer. So, are you ready to unlock the magic of electronics? The world of electronics is full of endless possibilities, waiting for you to explore. You don't need to be a genius to get started. Curiosity and a thirst for knowledge are all you need. Start with simple projects, like building a basic circuit or programming an LED to blink. There are tons of online resources, kits, and communities to guide you on your journey. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them. Remember, every great inventor or engineer started with a spark of curiosity and a passion for creating. So, embrace the world of electronics, unleash your inner maker, and who knows what amazing things you'll create. The future is electric, and it's in your hands.